Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about use custom filter to data. Let's get started. For this scenario, I will filter the last drawn salary column. Click on the arrow beside last drawn salary. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on number filters. For text data, it will become text filters. A sub-menu will appear. Click on custom filter. The custom auto filter pop-up window will appear. Click to select the type of filtering. And then type the amount. Click to select either one. Then click to select another type of filtering. And type the amount. And then click OK. This is the end result. Any amount below 3,000 and above 5,000 are hidden. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.